कि अच्छा मैंने सोचा था 150 रुपए का है और मुझे तो इसमें 220 रुपए देने पड़े। प्लेइंग विथ योर ब्रेन टू एक्ट इन अ सर्टेन वे विच वो सोच समझ के अगर आप डिसीजन लेते, दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी इज नॉट गिवन।
Some founders argue we are not forcing, we are nudging. So, where do we draw the line between persuasion and manipulation?
Don't confuse the consumer. Don't put out things which leads where you mean to say something but the consumer understanding of it is something else, and you've done that deliberately.
Hi, Saheli. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much, Molly, for having me here.
Pleasure is mine. Okay, so to begin the episode, I want to make the foundation clear. Dark patterns are everywhere. So, in plain, everyday language, what exactly is dark pattern?
Plain everyday language, if I have to tell what a dark pattern is, when we are interacting with apps, there's something called the user experience and the user interface. So it's a business practice that employs certain digital choice architecture, which either tricks, confuses, pressures consumers to take actions which are not intended. मतलब normally शायद ये काम नहीं करते, but because वो ऐप में ऐसे questions आते हैं, ऐसे prompts आते हैं, and they take that action. So without maybe clearly understanding what the intention
Like to
is.
subscribe this particular thing, ऐसे कुछ or something, cookies and all.
Not cookies and all. Say like वो आप किसी ऐप पे गए हो, आप कि अभी अगर नहीं खरीदे तो इसका प्राइस इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, तो अभी सिर्फ
only
नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स के लिए आपको इस प्राइस पे मिल रहा है. दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ, फिर आपको पता नहीं कि वो 5 मिनट के बाद भी मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, पर क्योंकि आपको कम प्राइस में मिल रहा है, आप तुरंत, वो इंटेंशन नहीं था आपका वो खरीदना, पर आपने खरीद लिया क्योंकि आपको साइकोलॉजी, दैट्स द कंज्यूमर साइकोलॉजी सस्ते में मिल रहा है. So you buy that. So that is a kind of dark pattern.
So are they always deliberate कि या forced कि करना ही है?
I mean, the use of dark patterns in these apps.
When brands do this?
I will not say it's deliberate. Well, there are always bad players, everywhere. Some will do this because they intend to do this because, their focus is on the business and not on consumer interest. But there are, it's not that it's always deliberate. Because a lot of times it happens that लोगों को पता नहीं है. A lot of app designers, a lot of businesses, it just becomes a business practice. वो समझ में नहीं आता है कि हाँ ये शायद dark pattern है.
या नहीं.
Now the awareness is growing. क्योंकि अभी बातें हो रही है इसमें, a lot of people are becoming aware. We have our own, ASCII has its own guidelines in terms of dark patterns in advertising. DOCA, the Department of Consumer Affairs, CCPA has its own guidelines on dark patterns.
Okay.
So the awareness is growing. So given the awareness of people continue to do it, इनका शायद ये deliberately हो रहा है, but it's not that everybody is always doing it deliberately.
But क्या guidelines हैं basically?
So the ASCII guidelines, the guidelines that we have, because our remit is advertising only.
Right.
So we have 4 kinds of dark patterns which pertain to advertising only that we look at. So one is drip pricing, which is the most common form of advertising led dark pattern that we see.
What is that?
Drip pricing is आप किसी भी मान लीजिए डिलीवरी लॉजिस्टिक्स ऐप पे जाते हैं या फिर ई-कॉमर्स साइट पे जाते हैं, इन सब साइट्स पे आप जाएंगे तो आपको एक प्राइस कोट किया जाता है. वो प्राइस देख के यू फील इंटरेस्टेड टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट दैट अट्रैक्ट्स यू, एंड देन व्हेन यू गो टू द चेकआउट पेज, वो अपफ्रंट नहीं बताते हैं कि इसमें ये चार्जेस लगेंगे, वो डिलीवरी चार्जेस हो सकते हैं, टैक्सेस हो सकते हैं, कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज हो सकता है.
डार्क पैटर्न है.
तो वो एक तरीके का डार्क पैटर्न है. वो एंड में जाके आपने पूरा साइकिल कर लिया, फिर जब फाइनल आप पे करने जाते हो तो एंड में जाके आप, अच्छा मैंने सोचा था 150 रुपए का है और मुझे तो इसमें 220 रुपए देने पड़ेंगे.
मोस्टली इट हैपेंस इन क्विक कॉमर्स ऐप यूजुअली.
हाँ, तो ये सारे डिलीवरी लॉजिस्टिक्स एप्स में दिखता है, पर अभी विद द अवेयरनेस पीपल आर making these upfront, this is the price of the product and plus taxes hai, plus delivery charges hai. So they are now making it more clearer, more transparent, more upfront. But this is one. The second one is bait and switch. Again, किसी साइट पे आप देखोगे कि आपको एक प्रोडक्ट दिखाया और बोले कि this is the product which you really like, and maybe it could be a shirt you really like, and says that this is available at 1,000 rupees. when you add that to the cart, or when you click on the product, then it says, "Acha, this is not available." But there is another alternative, which is
Yeah, even color.
similar but
हाँ.
at a higher price.
Okay, yes.
So then,
this
because
is
you
also-
like it, you like this, but this is not available, you tend to fall for it. So it's a trap.
Yeah,
So
I've
आपको कुछ
fallen for a lot.
एक चीज दिखाया, फिर बोले कि ये नहीं, this is not available, and then you go and you show another one, say, at a higher price, and the consumer falls for it. So that is one. Then we have disguised ads. There's a small, probably an editorial that which looks like an ad, but which does not look like an ad, but is an ad that comes in your as pop-ups on your mobile screen.
What kind of pop-ups?
There could be a message popping up saying that best deals on laptops, and then there's an action button saying read now. So
Okay,
and when
that
you
is
read, so
also
which is like it is basically an ad, but it is disguised as an editorial. So what happens is like it comes as a news headline and it says read now. So when you click on the read now, it actually takes you to a place where you can buy.
that
Yeah.
particular
So that
thing.
is disguised ads. So it's an ad disguised as an editorial. So that is something that ASCII has a guideline. I mean, under the ASCII's dark pattern guidelines is something which is considered as a dark pattern. And the last thing that ASCII looks at is false urgency. Again, something which is very common in e-commerce, your delivery logistics kind of apps, or even in your travel booking apps.
Discounts type.
False urgency is yes, so that could be one. And the other is that, you say only 5 left.
Okay, that urgency.
That
हाँ,
you don't know क्योंकि stock में कितना है.
कितना है?
But अगर देखें कि 5 है तो you feel otherwise you could have taken 2 months to decide whether you want to buy the product or not. So you're creating false urgency. वो ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी खरीदने के लिए, but वो because you've said that, people are going to rush to buy it.
Correct.
So these are the 4 dark patterns that ASCII is under ASCII's remit because these pertain to advertising content. Other than that, there are several. I mean, there are several more. I mean, our own study that we did on like conscious patterns, which is on dark patterns, and we studied 53 apps, popular Indian apps. So we studied 12 kinds of dark patterns there. So which is a long list. And then if you look at DOCA's guidelines and CCPA guidelines, they have looked into 13 dark patterns. But all of these do not pertain or might not pertain to advertising. Since our remit is only ad content, we look at these 4.
But all these dark patterns are like related to psychology only, correct? Because most of them are urgency.
They are manipulative in nature.
Manipulative, yeah.
So they'll
They are
manipulate
playing
you
with
to take.
humans' brain, is
Yeah, they are playing with it's
हाँ.
a psychological thing that they are
हाँ.
playing with your brain to act in a certain way which वो सोच समझ
समझ
के
के-
अगर आप decision लेते, that opportunity is not given. So the choice, the consumer autonomy, what we talk about, the consumer does not have that in their hands because in a way the control is not with the consumer.
The control is on them.
The control is on the business side because it is what the business wants. So the consumer's interest is somewhere is lost in all of this. That what is it that the consumer wants. So it is about tricking. So which is manipulation.
But some of them are related to advertising also, correct?
Yes, the 4 that I
4.
mentioned, these are related to advertising.
हाँ, but how is it different कि for example sale के लिए एक अलग से advertising campaigns होते हैं. So is it also fall under dark patterns or is it something different? कि वो advertising part is different?
So dark pattern, it's
It's a part of.
yeah. So like a misleading ad, dark patterns, ads that have dark patterns in it are also misleading. Because end of the day, it's misleading the consumer to take a certain action. So whether it's a marketing or advertising claim that आप ये cream लगा लो, your dark spots are going to go away in 3 days. That's a marketing claim. It's an
Claim.
advertising claim,
that is
product
not
claim.
Product claim.
So that is misleading. It can still be misleading, but that's not a dark pattern. So dark pattern is when it is hidden, when you have critical information hidden. But in advertising, so here there is no information as such hidden, but your product might not deliver that.
Okay.
So if
like
your
it's up
product
to
does not-
me कि if I want
Yeah,
to
so your
buy
product
that or
might not deliver that, but you've made that claim. So now in dark patterns, often what happens is the information is missing. So I don't know. I get to see it after crossing several hurdles, and then you
correct.
don't know how to get out of the subscription.
Right.
So
Sometimes
that
a lot of-
is a
Dark
dark
pattern.
pattern.
So, SK report, which you were mentioning, found that 52 out of 53 top Indian apps use dark patterns. That's almost everyone. So, what do you want to say about that study?
So it was a revelation, of course, because being with ASCII and being a self-regulatory body, so we look at over 8,500 ads which are potentially misleading.
Correct.
And like I just
Mhm.
mentioned, dark patterns in advertising is also essentially misleading. And been around for almost 40 years now. Even today, 98% of the ads that we look into are actually found to be violating.
But don't you think बहुत सारे consumers को पता ही नहीं है कब वो manipulate हो रहे हैं about these?
Of course, that is the reason it's a dark pattern.
Right. So for awareness, what we can do to spread awareness about this particular dark pattern thing?
So to spread awareness, of course, we should be talking about what we are
Yeah,
doing
right,
right now.
podcast.
What we are doing right now, we should be doing a lot more of these. So education and educating people. What at ASCII, like I mentioned, the study that we have done, it's called conscious patterns. The reason why it's called conscious patterns is,
What
and
is
it's
that?
while it's from a designer point of view as well as from a consumer point of view, while it calls out that so many apps, 52 out of the 53 apps that we looked at had instances of at least one instance of dark pattern.
What actions do you take if you find out case brand में ये dark pattern or something? Complain.
So there's a complaint. So ASCII processes a lot of suo moto. I mean, we take our own proactive actions because, especially in categories like these or in concerns or problems like these where consumers don't understand much.
Right.
जैसे मैंने भी बताया कि फूड या कोई ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट का हो तो कंज्यूमर कंप्लेंट मिल जाता है हमको.
Right. So
For
इसमें
dark
how often
patterns,
do you get?
We don't. From consumers, because consumers are still figuring out. They don't understand this so much.
Usually the response from brand side is positive or negative?
Usually the response from the brand side is positive in the sense that if you're asking only pertaining to dark patterns, it is still positive. I mean, we have the number of cases that we have seen so far. If I have to give examples, say, so we started actually drip pricing is because it is the most common thing that you would, because everybody is on these delivery logistics apps, So drip pattern, that's something that's very commonly seen by people. And that's what we have also seen when we started looking at it. So I remember there was this ad that we had seen, a certain brand claiming that you will get product X. I mean, it's a big ad. Like the whole page says, get this product for 1 rupee only.
Okay, I think I know the brand.
Yeah. And and then, of course, you're excited. And it's not a product that anywhere you would get for 1 rupee.
Then they ask to pay the delivery charges.
Yes, and then you go through the entire process, and nowhere it's mentioned that delivery charges are applicable, etc. You go through the entire process of add to basket, add to cart. You choose your payment option. When you're about to click on pay now, it shows 149 rupees delivery charges added, so you're paying 150 rupees.
I paid 190.
So मतलब 1 रुपए का product उसमें 149 का delivery charge, so you end up and that comes right in the end.
Right. So that is also a dark pattern.
Yeah. So in a lot of cases, it is a dark pattern. So in a lot of cases, the advertisers, they would come and they would make changes, especially with drip pricing, because it is so common and this is something which consumers have started identifying now. Apps are making it clearer. I mean, the big ones, the popular ones, you will see if you go on now, they've started adding on the first screen itself. When you scroll down or right on top, they will say that delivery charges apply. Or at times you will see that if your delivery location is X kilometers, say like 5 kilometers away, so there is an additional delivery charge that will apply. So they make it upfront. So they are starting to make those changes.
Even e-commerce may, I sometimes usually receive a notification that 125 rupees off or something. When I add to cart, I do everything. The math says कि for example, 119 minus 125 or something. It's always more. 125 कभी वो deduct होता ही नहीं है. वो और add on हो जाता है sometimes feel. Is it also a dark pattern?
It is. So if other things are getting added on and that is not mentioned upfront, the whole thing is that with dark patterns, see, transparency is key.
Right.
You can add. There is no problem in adding, your tax. There's
Everything.
nothing wrong in adding a delivery charge because, you will incur a cost. But be transparent. You mention it upfront so that the consumer
Correct.
is not confused कि अरे मैंने तो देखा कि 1 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट है मैंने तो इसलिए खरीदा और मुझे अभी 150 रुपए देना है. And that also comes at the end. It's frustrating for the consumer. And it's also in a way that, you're playing with consumer trust, which is from a brand point of view also, I don't think is a very smart thing to do because end of the day, you want to gain consumer
Okay,
trust.
correct. At one point of time, they
अभी
stop
जैसे
trusting them.
awareness नहीं है, so you get away with it. As and when people are going to get more aware, and people are going to get more aware.
I remember once a big delivery brand owner mentioned on a podcast that 80% on something up to X is not 80% actually. So, what is that exactly? Is it also a dark pattern?
So see, a lot of times you will see that we receive such complaints. Okay, that the brand claimed
Like
that
he
there was
clearly mentioned it on a
50%. So we've seen 3 instances of this. So one instance would be that okay, it says 80% discount, but I did not get 80% discount.
right.
So when we went, they said that no terms and conditions apply.
Oh.
So there's a fine print, but that was not clear to us. So this is clearly misleading that, you're saying 80% discount, but you've said terms and conditions apply, which is not clear. It is a form of a dark pattern. You've not made it clear.
Some founders argue we are not forcing, we are nudging. So, where do we draw the line between persuasion and manipulation?
Question. See, I think one thing that founders, when they argue, they have to keep in mind is who is actually benefiting from it. So if it's persuasion, typically both parties, because maybe the consumer needs that product. The product will be helpful for the consumer. So if that consumer, and persuasion is a long drawn kind of. It doesn't happen like this. So you will keep on putting out messages out there. It'll take certain time, and then the brand also benefits from it. What happens in manipulation? In manipulation, you are manipulating certain things for the business's interest. So it's not. So you will not manipulate because you are manipulating the consumer for your own interest.
Right. Can you give an example?
So like all of these dark pattern things, like if you're not mentioning, say when you're doing creating false urgency, consumer doesn't need that product. You are creating that urgency because you want to sell your product. Or when you say only 2 left in stock, consumer is not privy, is not aware, or does not know, or has no way to find out left in stock or 200. But when you say 2, consumer will be okay, only 2 at such a price, let me buy it. So you are using these tactics for your own business interest. So it's a business practice. So where do you draw the line? I think,
yes.
So what happens is then the control is with you, it's not with the consumer.
So I have a very important question. If you are a UX designer, it's a very demanded question.
Oh.
If you are a UX designer and your boss says, make cancellation harder, what should you do? What I can do?
That's actually, again, one of the more popular. In fact, that's my first encounter with dark patterns at a time when I didn't even know the word dark pattern. Yeah, so like subscribe to an app, and it was a 7-day trial. They said that if you choose, at the point of subscription, they said that if you choose to continue, you can decide that 7 days later, but it was a continuous enrollment.
Okay, you don't know.
I didn't know. And then it took me years to figure out how to get out of that subscription. I think I paid for it for 3 years before I got out of the subscription.
Okay, last question. So, Saheli, tell me, as a marketer, what's one design principle or ethical alternative brands can use
See,
to trust instead of tricking?
I have, the cost of repeating myself, I think again and again, I'll come down to the point of transparency, because when it comes to dark patterns, because there are different kinds of dark patterns, so each of them could be based on different design principles, but I think all of them are anchored to this one thing, that they have hidden information. All the information is not available. Or,
Okay,
it's
transparent.
so be upfront, be clear, be transparent. Don't confuse the consumer. Don't put out things which leads. where you mean to say something, but the consumer understanding of it is something else, and you've done that deliberately.
Fair enough.
So be clear, be transparent, be upfront about whatever the cost is, whatever I'm giving, and information I'm sharing. I think that's one key thing, and you just be honest with design. Be honest
Be
with design is
transparently
what
honest. Yeah.
is what I would say. a point of
Ethical.
view.
Yeah.
From an ethical
Principle.
design point.
Okay, that's for all. Thank you so much. It was really insightful and informational.
Thank you. It was lovely, lovely speaking with
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.